Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Shar. I just want to take a look, share some of the things that we discussed during our independence. Also, these are words that are in our culture. Sometimes we hear this one, that one. And sometimes you don't have the time to go look it up. So I just want to share some of what I find, with you guys. Okay, first, Jamaica was being colonized by Britain. Um, why was Jamaica being colonized by Britain? Jamaica was being colonized by Britain because of its sugar production during those days. Yeah? Which was the leading commodity imported into Britain at that time. Long time. Enslaved people were bought and sold as property, and most of them were put to work on plantation, such as the sugar plantation of Jamaica. So Jamaica was important to Britain those days. Now, some of the words that we use, as we go along in our culture, there are words that, maybe you love to know them, why. For me, I'm very inquisitive, so I'm gonna find out why is this, why is that called so. So I have some which I'll share, like colony. What do you mean? What were they thinking of when they say colony? Okay, they say colony. A colony is a country or area under full or partial political control of another country. So when we hear, like in our history, colony, we know what that means. Commonwealth, like we're still a member of the Commonwealth. An international association consists of the UK together with states that were previously part of the British Empire and dependency. So that's Commonwealth. Enslaved, making someone a slave or causes someone to lose their freedom or action. Colonize, to settle in and take control of a land outside of your border. Arawaks. What are Arawaks? I'm sure in history class a lot of people know what are Arawaks. But because I'm going through them, I just decided to choose that one as well. Arawaks are a group of indigenous people of South America and of the Caribbean. Okay? I repeat it, the Arawaks are a group of indigenous people of South America and of the Caribbean. Indigenous, originating or occurring naturally in a, partial or a particular place. That's indigenous. And I remember when I said, when Jamaica gained independence in 1962, and they said that that Britain, it was their flag, but they said they lowered the Union Jack. I'm sure a lot of people say, not a lot of people, Jamaicans know what Britain calls the Union Jack. And they said they lowered the Union Jack and then they hoisted the Jamaican flag. So the Union Jack, that's the British flag. So they either say the Union Jack or the British flag. If you find this informative, please like, share. Yeah, man, I want to share it, man. Share it, man. Share it. Me not too like like what going still, you know. But a cool runnings. Subscribe. And remember, to Jamaican, we little, but we talawa, you know. We talawa, man. We lick. Oh, we little, but we talawa. Trust me. Thanks for watching.